Are we vlogging? Are we vlogging?
Hey guys.
This is our first stop. And I only got an hour of sleep. I think I got a little bit of like 5 minutes. So, trip's going good. Where is Val? Cue to Val's clip. Yeah. We won last night.
Bet.
We have Bob Evans. Wow. Say hi to my vlog.
Alright, now we here. Bob Evans. Are we still in Ohio?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're on the
Youngstown.
border.
We in Youngstown? But
I'm going to see.
this is our second stop.
Bro.
Turn back.
Back to Yummy.
When you guys went on the exit.
Oh yeah, who kept? I
Bro.
felt the car going back and forth, and it was like,
Bro, because when you guys went on the exit, the van went on the other lane, and then last minute it turned, and we followed the van and we missed it. Bro, we started reversing in the highway.
Reversing.
Yeah, so we could go on the exit. We caught up somehow. Wait, what are you wearing for the theater?
My cheetah dress and my kitten heels and my long sleeve. Tell me. What are you wearing?
Jeans and a shirt.
Breathe. It's dressy inside. It's Sunday night. Did you bring a dress?
Yeah, I did.
Wear that.
For the theater?
Yes. And it might be cold to bring a
I'm gonna be
sweater.
eating popcorn and like candy in a dress.
No, apparently they have almonds. I want to try them. Make sure I get almonds.
Almond this, almond that.
¿Dónde está la menu? Hey, yo! I don't make it on time.
You got the editor in the house.
Hey, yo, the Diaz is in the house. The Das family in the house.
Toby, say hi.
His back is ticklish.
Hi.
Say hey guys.
Anyways, 2 biscuit sandwiches, fries, and I don't know what this is. Gravy. I don't like gravy. So. Anyways. Okay, so what'd you get? It's like strawberry farmer or something.
She just got that.
Wait, is that yours? Okay, so she got pancakes, chocolate chips, strawberries, eggs, bacon, and hash brown.
Eggs, bacon, strawberry, pancakes.
With sausage,
One sausage wing.
I just got 2. Bro, my hash brown and bacon hasn't changed, so like. That's half of it. Yeah, that's half. The other half is for me.
There it is.
Oh, bet. Looks like con. No. Alright. Mukbang. That's it. What we done eating.
What time is it, Brie? We were here for 2 hours.
We came here at like 8.
How long? How long were we here, Carlos?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. That's crazy. What?
Come, Charlie. Come. Charlie, come. Oh. Okay.
Oh. Ow. Okay. Okay. Snoopy?
It's a big car.
¿Te compro uno? Okay, we're here.
The sky looks so blue.
Wow. It's a restaurant cafe.
The Amish. Yeah. It's Lancaster, bro. Look at our
This
hotel.
reminds me of your wedding.
Yeah, look, key. Look, that's the cafe. Whoa.
Bake shop. But how do you
Really, really nice. Really, really nice.
Wait, how much was it? 50 or 30?
It was like $34 or it was
Anyways, we are on our way.
Wait, guys. OOTD. I got these from Melandy. I got this shirt from Volunteers. I cut these shorts from Volunteers.
Okay. Say hi, Dylan. Say no hi. Say no. But we already got to our rooms.
Old Navy. Andy bought me my purse.
Wow. Wow. But we already got our rooms. It's
Woody,
but
no,
hers is
Woody,
Bro,
see, there's
no,
people
no, no.
homeless and you're complaining about a small room.
no, the bathroom's small. There's no outlets. I can't charge nothing. You got a whole living room, a whole bathroom. So
Chad, we were never going to leave at 5. It's frick. It's thing. Hey Jetty, hey. Nope. It's for the vlog.
Oh, I forgot we're vlogging.
I thought you actually had cottage cheese in there.
That's never what the container is.
She realness.
I started to pump gas.
Cute? Why didn't you get my stuff? Okay, now you do. So go get them. Open the door so I can see Liddy's. Liddy, say hey. Say hey, Liddy. Say hey to the vlog.
we not vlogging this.
We are though.
We're never getting there, chat.
Bro, chat, we're never making it, bro.
Bro, we're going for a 24
And you know whose fault it is? Yours.
Oh no, honey. I was ready at 5.
Well, when did you get off work?
I was ready at 5. It's 6:30. I was readiness.
She was readiness, chat.
Yeah, for real,
That's
bro.
not my angle. Bro, my purse.
Bro, you know Marvin's only an hour away from the place. I said,
What is he gonna do?
I don't know.
How many bags y'all bring?
I just have
We
2.
should have just flew.
No,
And then
actually.
made Marvin drive us.
No, actually, bro. We're cookness.
We're on our way to the outlets. Shopping time. Bro,
It's because you're blocked.
bro, we ate a lot, so like,
Look, they had Jarritos.
Chat, so we about to go to the outlet. I don't know if they said that already.
yeah, outlet time. So this is the outlet.
Guys with the guy.
This is the outlet. Hobby Lobby and Games. Okay, Michaela, no singing.
What do you rate the food?
The food.
Rate the food.
Just like any Chinese restaurant, all right? Yeah, it's not special.
It's better than.
I want a Taco Bell. For
I
real.
couldn't ask for more.
My mom. Ooh, nice car. Okay, guys, so we made it to Old Navy. Shopping. Got nothing so far. Bruh. There's World Cup. World Cup. I don't know where Andre's at, but yeah.
Is this too short?
Bruh. Bro.
Look, Candy. They have a black one.
What'd you find? I need to find a bathroom.
She said
Who's?
Dijo Natalia.
My name not Natalie.
I'm about to eat some shit.
Yes.
She said this way.
That don't say Natalie's. What'd you get?
He didn't get anything. He just got cursor. You got cursor? He said if he doesn't drive, he gets
You look like a cow. You know that meme of the horse with the eye? Do you know what I'm talking about?
You better. Him?
That was him.
We're at Cherry Crest Adventure Farm. What?
He's trying to hide.
What are you doing?
She's trying to get to.
Rip, Melandy. Very nice weather. Very nice weather.
Thank you, Jesus, that we made it. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. Oh my gosh, you guys should have seen there was a train and it had Thomas on
Yes.
it.
Well, we're going there later.
Oh, we are?
They got goats.
Yeah.
They have goats. There's like a petting zoo over there. Look at all this. This is like beautiful. This reminds me of Ohio.
OH.
Ohio.
So they got ducks, pigs, and turkeys. Oh my gosh, the turkeys are humongous. Oh, look at the baby goats. Look at the baby.
Get them feeding.
So cute.
That one me.
Bro, their hair. Bro, that you. Bro, their hair.
Hey.
What the hell? What the hell? Oh my lord, that's really bad. Oh my gosh. That my turkey on. Thanks.
Hate that?
Sangiri.
Why? It's
What would you grow up on a farm? I know.
Yo, what's good? What's good, everybody? So today we're gonna be teaching about the gospel. You know, the Lord loves y'all. You know, He made y'all.
Yeah. Thanks for the eggs.
Yeah.
But I ain't like them scrambled eggs. Lord, you.
He back at home.
Para que se viera bien nice.
He gonna braid it.
Hey, you guys need a wig? Right there. Who needs a wig? Hey, I got a wig for sale. Who need it?
Yo.
Which goal y'all want me to get it in?
You gotta get the corner, the World Cup.
Which one? That one? They ain't ready for me.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Now you teaching your kids, bro?
They ain't ready for me.
Oh, where is it? Come on, Salvador!
that was
Show
just
him up,
practice.
show him up!
That's practice. That was practice. I needed to try.
Ooh.
Nah, I'm gonna get it right
Fellas
here.
are doing it in
Watch.
cowboy boots.
I'm gonna get it right here. Watch.
Come on, World Cup. Come on, World Cup.
No. Here you go.
Andre, show them how it's done. Show them how Florentina will show you, Andre.
Oh!
She don't got a full range.
Bro, we went down the steep slide.
Oh, you went down it?
Yeah, bro. The hill is so hard to get up.
You gotta be quicker. Ya casi se va la bota.
Oh,
Good catch.
she didn't catch it.
$50 to the whoever makes it.
Ooh.
$50.
The next CR7.
Who paid the 50?
You.
Oh!
Nice. Oh. Chivas.
Oh!
Clean without touching nothing.
Okay, let us try.
All right, our turn.
Yeah, the girls.
All right, girls' turn. All right, girls' turn.
I could be here for an hour.
Can you guys hear me or see me?
Can you see me or hear me?
I'm trying to help her from hearing you guys.
Manny.
Yo.
What are you doing?
Push stop.
Ooh, Aura lost.
You lost Aura.
But I could make it one try.
She's really good.
I bet.
Ooh! Okay, you. Yeah.
Like they said.
Yeah.
Ozu.
Melvin, bro.
Nano turtles. We nano turps. Turtles.
He's a turb.
Me.
I want to try.
We are walking. Woo! It's like,
We're walking to the lobby.
Looks like I'm going to like.
are we there yet?
Don't go to that.
Not yet.
One night. Toby's sleeping.
If I call, don't record the song.
Too bad. Good luck.
Por eso. A ver.
I'll be fine.
Y yo pensé,
No,
yo como
sigue
veo que
cantando.
estás así, yo pensé que te estabas viendo ya cuando vi ya está grabando allá ya medio acá. Antes no le hice como la de los videos, nada más no le como el que ve que está grabando y grabé bien recio. Pero que no se lo vea.
We are here.
Yes, it smells so good. Like vanilla.
What? Sorry, why did I laugh like that? We are getting our tickets right now, so. Are you? Is anyone else getting a drink or food? Just me?
You guys hear me or see me?
Or like water? I need water. Look, Lizzie. Maybe during the intermission.
They got iced coffee.
They got iced coffee?
Yeah.
They got iced coffee?
Yeah.
She dropped her drink, bruh. What'd you think?
10 out of 10. Thank you, Jesus.
What?
It was really, really, really.
Qué mato.
$9.
¡Hambre!
¿Quién tiene hambre?
Pastel.
It was really good. It's like really like realistic, like real life, like the animals.
What'd you think, Lim?
Oh my gosh, I loved it. This is your sign to come. Like it was 1,000 out of 10. Like I have it
We
right
need to
here.
bring the kids.
We.
It was amazing. And next year it's Jonás, so we're gonna sing. Jonás no le hizo caso a la palabra de Dios.
Yep. You like it? Otro.
Lo caché.
Casi.
Sentí como mis $14 se iban a la basura. Ahora que alguien se después lo va a cambiar.
Oh, Manuel.
Yo voy a cuidar el mío.
Girl, we ate in Hawaii, respectfully. What do you think?
I loved it, but I slept a little bit though.
Wow. God forgive her.
Bro, it's because we went swimming and the sun trained us. The only thing I don't like is when Michaela was elbowing me the entire time.
She was elbowing
Her
you.
screaming, bro.
Y ahorita está cerrado todo aquí en el hotel. Si quieren comer algo, tenemos que salir de. Hablen ahora o callen para siempre.
Are you recording everything, girl?
It's for a vlog.
Alright, vlog. Girl, ya voy a ver ese vlog.
I don't consent.
Please, don't.
It'll be up next year.
Son las 10:10.
La cara esa que me
Voy a
agarró.
llevar esto.
Too bad.
Girl.
Que ruja el león.
Ow.
Que la tierra se estremezca.
Everybody coming down.
Mejor hay que cantar otra. La de mis ojos no te ven, pero mi corazón te siente. Casi canto como las muchachas de allá, ¿verdad? Sí. Me falta poquito para llegarle a esas muchachas de ahí que estaban cantando, ¿verdad, hermano? Ya.
Okay guys, hi vlog. This is the car ride in the Nissan. We got tan. It's currently 11:03. Our ETA. Oh, it's like. But
I think it's like 5:02 or something.
yes, we just prayed. And yeah, we're just trying to make it home. PA's like the.
Fucking biggest day in the world.
No, actually, but we got Mimi's in the back. She's working. She never get a day off. And Melvin
Has every day off.
yeah. Oh, look at Winnie in the back. That's how I'm trying to be when I get home. But yeah, guys. So this is the update on our car. We got the drinks because we're not stopping to eat. And
Everybody eating water.
guys, look at this little coca. Miren esta coca que pequeña. But yeah, guys, we'll update you when we meet again. Okay, guys, update on our car ride. It is 1.
Yeah.
No, oh, it's 12:19. I want it to be 1. It's 12:19. It's been, I think, an hour since we vlogged. We have 4 hours left. How you doing, Jetty?
Honestly, I'm falling asleep, but we decided we're gonna stop at Starbucks like halfway through.
We said no stops, but you know what? Lord is good. He provided Starbucks.
And not a man to drive, so
Yeah, look at our back seat passengers.
always sleeping, bro. They've been sleeping the whole trip.
They're the same person, but in a different shade. Like, literally, look at that.
One's burnt to a crispy, la otra bien bonita.
But yeah, so they fell asleep, and I'm here, co-pilot right now. But yeah, guys, so we'll vlog when we get our stops. I don't know if, I doubt that they're gonna stick with the no stopping.
Ain't no way they got like 10 kids. I can't say so.
No, actually. But the reason why we're like rushed to get home, kind of, is because we have church at 6, and our pastor said like, y'all need to be there. So, but like,
We're gonna be there.
I don't know. I'm not even gonna hit my bed, because as soon as I hit my bed, I'm not getting up. Ooh. Now just watch the live. Ooh.
Yeah,
I'm just kidding. But yeah, guys, so we'll update you when we get to Starbucks. Los que no durmieron, agarran Starbucks. I'm just kidding. Any words?
I'm tired.
She said, Lord, send drivers, please.
Send men.
We need a miracle. Okay, bye, guys.